What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So what I'm going to be doing today is testing some injectors and cleaning them out. So I got this little kit. Comes with this deal right here. You plug your injector just like this into the side of that, and you hold it in there. And I'm just going to use some carb cleaner. So you get an aerosol carb cleaner can, and you pop the top off of it, so that's all you're left with. And then all you do is stick this thing into the smaller hole at the bottom, and it shoots through your injector. So supposed to clean them out pretty well. The video on Gearhead 704's channel, his buddy did it, and it looked like it worked pretty well. So it also comes with this little adapter. You just hook it up to a battery, plug it into the injector, and that's what activates it. So one of the ways that you can tell right off the bat if the injector is even good, and I don't know if you'll be able to hear this, you plug this in and you'll hear a click, and that's it engaging. Yeah, so if you could hear that, then that injector is good. I've already tested these, and they're all fine so far. So that's a good sign. Let's just get going here. I'm gonna put on some gloves. And a mask and some glasses. I'm doing this because I don't want to get carb cleaner on my hands, on my face. I want to breathe it in. These are the goofiest looking glasses ever, and they're not even close to clean, but at least they'll keep shit off of me. So okay, so we're gonna give this a try here. So what I'm gonna do is take my first injector, plug it in, set it in this thing, and we're gonna give it a shot here. And there we go. That actually looks pretty good. It did kind of clean up the spray pattern a little bit. Oh, now see, this one doesn't have an O-ring, so that might not work. No. I have to move an O-ring over to that before I can test that. There's two of these without O-rings, so I was hoping maybe I could just hold it in there. No luck. Okay, so you don't hear this? Check this out. You hear nothing. That is a bad injector. I thought I tested them all, but I guess I must have missed this one. So, yeah, that one's bad. So, okay, so we found one bad one, and the other ones are good. 2, 4, 6, 7 of them are good. Everything seemed to work pretty well there. The spray patterns were all good. None of them really sputtered. It actually seems like these things were pretty clean. Now these are just the extra ones. I just wanted to test this thing out, give it a shot, and see how it worked. And I mean, heck, it gave me an idea of what the spray pattern looked like, and it looked pretty consistent throughout all the injectors, so that's good. But at least I know that here there are 7 of them that are good. Now I'm gonna go in and check the resistance on these. So let me get this whole thing cleaned up, and we'll get back to you once I have my multimeter hooked up. This little injector cleaning tool thing, they're like 15 bucks on eBay. So that's pretty cool that you can do something like that at home and not have to have them ultrasonically cleaned. I mean, that would probably be a better option. They'll probably get them cleaner, but I mean, for what it is, I think that this thing worked pretty good. If nothing else, it just gave me a good indication that they are clean. But one of the other nice things about this is that it comes with these things to clip onto the battery, and that goes into the injector. So what I can do is, for the multimeter, just take and connect them. Just connect the clips to the end of those, and we should be about good. Okay, so the information I can gather, we're looking for about it was about 14.5 to low 15s as far as resistance goes. So let's take a look. 15.6, 15.5, 4. Okay, so it looks like it reads 15, 15.3, 15.4. That seems like it'd be okay. Okay, it's about the same. That actually looks like a win to me. The lowest one, 14.9, 15. That's not bad. And you know, it went all the way up to 15.4. Okay, so cool. The injectors seem to be in pretty good shape. Everything's relatively consistent as far as their resistance numbers go. That's all there is to it. It's really easy to do that. Now I know that I have 7 19-pound injectors that if I need to get in the car, if the ones that are in there are bad, once I pull those out and test them, I know that I've got some backups, which is a really nice thing. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to check out that injector cleaner deal, and then show you guys how to read resistance on these injectors to make sure they're still working, they're still good. So with that, that'll end the video. I hope you guys have a good day, and feel free to like and subscribe for more totally interesting and ridiculously awesome content. Hope you guys have a good one.